How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today is such an exciting day because we have passed 10,000 subscribers. This is awesome. This is something that I've been waiting for a very long time, and to think that we've been making videos for 8.5 years and we're just passing 10,000 subscribers is a really big thing. I didn't think we were really ever going to get to that point, and if not, it wasn't going to be for a very long time. But the channel's been picking up speed and it's been growing rapidly. And we're now at 10,000 subscribers 8.5 years later. It took a long time, but I'm still just very excited that we were able to make this point. This was my ultimate goal in YouTube, was to reach this point because it unlocks so many other possibilities. Main thing being, we now have access to the YouTube studio. This is something I've been very excited to try out. Unfortunately, they're closed right now, but once they do reopen, I'm definitely going to try and go to the YouTube studio, see what it's like there, and make a video there. I think that's going to be awesome, having all these resources available to me to be able to make an awesome video. There's so many different and amazing productions that have been taking place in the YouTube studio, and to say that I was also there and I made a video there, that's pretty awesome. Apple Tech 128 originally started out just to make YouTube videos about how to do things, showing you tips and tricks to make technology easier and more accessible to people. From there, it moved on to tech reviews once we got a bigger following and access to these products to review. Then it just evolved into everything technology and everything that I like, my passions. Since then, we've made videos on electric vehicles, we made movies, we've made videos on cameras, iPhones, iPads, Macs, how-tos, repairs, even airplanes. There's just so much different stuff that I'd love to do, and I really enjoy sharing with you. The channel originally started out as Apple Tech 128. We renamed it to @Tech, and I think that was still a really great move. There's a lot of things that made sense at that time. Being able to unify everything and have different categories for our videos. We have technology, there's reviews, there's Apple, there's tips. So you can easily see what the type of video is going to be when you watch it based on the thumbnail. We've also had so many great opportunities. Many amazing companies have partnered with us in the past to get content for you guys on specific videos. We've been invited to places that we have never been invited to before, never expected to. We've been to Google and tried on Google Glass. Based on our popularity, we've been able to get access to interviews with people that we might not have been able to get before. And now we're able to get into YouTube studios and make content there. Each and every one of you is extremely important to me, and I really appreciate you coming along for the ride. It's been slow at times and it's not been great, but we've been improving slowly but surely, and every single one of you means so much to me, and I really appreciate that all of you are here and following along and enjoy what we do. I just make these videos because I like them, because I like sharing my passions and hobbies, and it means so much that 10,000 of you also like what I like. That's pretty cool. Along the years, we evolved in not only our content, but also our production quality. We started off filming in a 480p Sony Handycam, sometimes doing iPads. I knew nothing about what I was doing at that point. I was filming in portrait mode on an iPad. That was awful. I was doing stuff I would never do today and would never make sense. But I was learning along the way, and we've done so much since then. We've upgraded to a DSLR. Then we upgraded to 4K. Now we're on 8K. We're using professional cinema cameras that most Netflix shows are shot on. And it's so cool that we've been able to grow and do so many different things because of each and every one of you. If it wasn't for your following, we would definitely not have or be where we are today. So anyway, I just want to make a quick video to say thank you very much for 10,000 subscribers. I'm so excited for what we have in the future and what's to come. I hope you stick around, and I can't wait for more people to join this. I love sharing this content with you guys. I love making videos on my passions and hearing what you think about it as well. But anyway, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. I hope to make this video soon when we hit 100,000 subscribers. That's going to be an awesome day, and I can't wait to see what comes in the future. But anyway, thank you so much for following along and watching. I will see you in the next one.